Hey, what's up, guys? It's Wyatt here. I don't have a name for my YouTube channel yet, so but oh well. Just working on a few things here. I got a Charvel SoCal. I think it's about 2015, I think. But anyways, it's a seafoam green one. I really like it a lot. It's like one of my favorite guitars that I have. Just got done switching up some things on it. I was gonna do a quick install for Tone Vise detuner. I love the EVH detuner, but it could be a little, how can I say, iffy sometimes, as you have to fine tune it with a actual small hex key. But I'm gonna show you real quick like what we could do with the Tone Vise here and see what happens. But here's the guitar here for y'all. But yeah, this is one of my favorite guitars of all times. Watch out, cat. But yeah, it's a beauty. This thing's the SoCal series. I mean, I can't express how good of a job they're all doing there. But yeah, this is one of my favorite guitars that I own right now. But yeah, I'm gonna come back here and get the camera set up, and we'll do a quick install of this Tone Vise. So yeah. All right. Yeah, hope you can see me. But anyways, here we go. Let's get this started. Hey, George. I got George the dog with me. He helps me out with stuff sometimes. So does a cat. All right, here we go, kids. Just want to let you know that I did not read the instructions on this. I did a quick walkthrough video is what I did. So we're going to see how this works here. So we're going to loosen up the nut here and loosen up this E string really quick like. Got that down. And I'm gonna get rid of the EVH detuner. Like I said, I have no problem with the EVH detuner. It's an ingenious idea. It's just that I was wanting to try something a little bit different. And this Tone Vise came across some boards on Facebook for the Charvel users group. Awesome bunch of guys. They're an awesome group when it comes to Charvel guitars. I mean, we're talking old ones, new ones, everything. So, but yeah, there's a detuner. Great design. Just don't like that part right there and having to have a hex key with me all the time or looking for one. But yeah, so here's the Tone Vise. So let's install this bad mamma jamma here. Real quick like. So it says to go from the top so you can click it back and forth to the side. So we're gonna just snap this bad boy in here. Grab our hex key. Tighten up the, so it tightens up from here. Having some issues, but hear that me too. It's like, but yeah, I love detuning guitars. I like blocking tremolos. I'm kind of the old school guy. The EVH approach when it comes to that stuff. I like the flutter though too, so I keep a couple guitars around so that I can actually pull that off. But yeah. Let me see this here. Alright. That nonsense, let's tighten this bad boy up a little bit. Alright, that's all it is. So, let me tune the guitar up here real quick, like. Okay, so we're at D right now. Sweet. Now we're at E. Just a little bit with the fine tuner there, and boom. Voila, kids. There you go. Quick installation. Well, sorry it took a little bit long, but that's alright. It was the first time for me too. But anyways, like and subscribe. I really don't have a name for the channel yet. Maybe I can get some subscribers and you guys can check it out. But anyways, laters.